You just spent 4 hours feeling productive and made $0. You reorganized your Notion, watched 3 competitor videos, redesigned your landing page, posted on LinkedIn about your journey. Your brain is flooding with dopamine, but your bank account hasn't moved in 6 months. This isn't laziness. It's a neurological trap that makes you feel like you're building while you're actually stalling. Your brain can't tell the difference between real progress and fake progress, so it rewards you the same way for both. And right now, you're addicted to the tasks that feel like work but generate zero revenue. I'm going to show you exactly how to tell the difference before you waste another year. Here's what dopamine does to entrepreneurs. It makes planning feel like building. You open a fresh doc, create the perfect outline, map out your content calendar for 3 months, color code everything. 2 hours later, you feel accomplished, but you haven't created anything a customer can buy. You haven't made a single sales call. You haven't shipped. You just planned. And your brain rewarded you as if you did the hard thing. Let me show you the difference between dopamine work and dollar work. Dopamine work: updating your website design, creating the perfect brand colors, building complex systems before you have customers, researching your competition, posting motivational content about entrepreneurship. Dollar work: reaching out to potential clients, asking for the sale, shipping imperfect products, following up with leads, creating offers people can buy right now. One feels good, the other makes money. Most entrepreneurs are addicted to the first one. Here's why this is dangerous. Dopamine work has no rejection. Nobody can say no to your Notion setup. Nobody can criticize your brand colors. Nobody can tell you your planning doc is worthless. Dollar work: every action risks rejection. Someone might say no to your offer. Someone might ignore your outreach. Someone might tell you your product isn't good enough. So your brain steers you toward the safe dopamine hit, and you stay broke. You know what's insane? You can be working 12 hours a day and still be broke, because 11 of those hours are dopamine work: tweaking, optimizing, researching, planning, learning. All of it feels productive. None of it generates revenue. And every night you go to bed thinking, I worked so hard today. You did. You just worked on the wrong things. Here's the test. Ask yourself, if I died today, could someone buy what I'm building? If the answer is no, you're doing dopamine work. If someone can't give you money right now for what you're creating, you're not building a business. You're building a hobby that feels like a business. Let me tell you what successful entrepreneurs do differently. They feel the pull toward dopamine work, the urge to just reorganize this one thing, the temptation to make it a little better before launching. They feel it, and they ignore it, because they know the truth. Imperfect and shipped beats perfect and hidden, every time. Here's what happens when you break the dopamine addiction. Week 1, you launch something ugly. It feels terrible. Your brain screams, "This isn't ready." You do it anyway. Week 2, you make your first sale. It's messy. The onboarding is broken. You have to manually fix things. But you made money, real money, from a real customer. Week 3, you fix what broke based on real feedback, not theoretical problems, real ones. Week 4, you're further ahead than 6 months of planning would have gotten you, because you chose dollar work over dopamine work. And here's the brutal part. The dopamine trap doesn't go away. Even successful entrepreneurs feel the pull. The difference? They've trained themselves to recognize it. When they catch themselves optimizing for the 3rd time this week, they stop. They ask, is this moving money, or is this moving my ego? And they course correct. You need to understand something. Your brain is lying to you. It's telling you that planning is progress, that research is preparation, that optimization is necessary. But what it's really doing is protecting you from the discomfort of dollar work. Because dollar work means possible rejection, visible failure, public imperfection. and your brain hates all three. So it offers you dopamine work instead. Safe, productive feeling, risk-free, and completely worthless for building wealth. So here's the question you need to ask yourself right now. How much of your productive day is actually dollar work? Be honest, because if it's less than 50%, you're not building a business. You're managing anxiety with productivity theater, and the market doesn't pay for theater. It pays for results. Here's your assignment for tomorrow. Track every task you do. Label it dopamine or dollar. Dopamine equals feels productive, makes $0. Dollar equals uncomfortable, could generate revenue. Then calculate your ratio. If you're spending more than 2 hours a day on dopamine work, you've found your problem. Comment below your ratio. Dopamine, X hours, / dollar, X hours. If it feels embarrassing to admit how little dollar work you're doing, that embarrassment is the first step to fixing it. Stop optimizing. Start selling. Your bank account will thank you.